Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Activity Hub and Travel Diaries. In the previous video, we learned about wild animals. So if you have not seen the video, please go back to our channel. Click on like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So what are farm animals? Farm animals are the animals that are kept for agricultural purposes. For example, cow for milk, sheep for wool, chicken for meat or eggs, horses for commercial purposes. Let us learn some farm animals. Cow. Sheep. Hen. Goat. Horse. Pig. Donkey. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video. Please keep updated for the next video on pet animals. See you in the next video. Bye bye.